I'm sorry, guys. I just want to make sure the live stream is on before we move on to the news. Okay, we are live. All right. What's up, guys? This is Buddies with Crypto, and I'm your host, John, once again, here to report on some crypto news. Today's topics, we got 4 news for you today. We'll be covering, let me make sure everything's ready. We'll be covering first news of the day, XRP, Link, Ethereum stand out relatively to Bitcoin in sector rotations analysis, Doge struggles, early buyers of Andrew Tate's daddy meme coin apparently sitting on 45 million in unrealized value. Bitcoin plunges to 65,000. Altcoins bleed 10 to 20% as week turns ugly. And last but not least, Dogecoin bulls see 60 million liquidations and biggest hit since 2021. Those are the news that we'll be covering today. But before we move on, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, or if you would like to see some technical analysis on other coins. If you go check out my history, my library history of videos here in the YouTube channel, my mentor and I do a lot of live technical analysis videos. So if you have any coins that you want to check out, see where it might be going in the future, you could give us the name of it and we'll cover it in the next episode. And please, once again, I ask you that you subscribe to the channel. We are the highest level of subscribers that we ever had, 319 subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe. That's the best way to help the channel. Subscribe, like the video, comment down below. If it's negative or positive, I don't care. Just engage with us. It's okay. You know, everybody has their own opinion when it comes to crypto. It's like 50-50 on the internet. Some people hate it, some people love it. I don't see much in between. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get started on the news. First news of the day. This is from CoinDesk.com. XRP linked Ethereum stand out relatively to Bitcoin in sector rotation analysis. Doge struggles. Fairlead's 12-week relative rotation graph shows signs of green shoots in XRP linked in Ethereum. Fairlead's 12-week relative rotation graph shows signs of green shoots in Doge likely to continue underperforming BTC and may become a lagger. Crypto traders looking for clues on pockets of the crypto market, seeing signs of green shoots, might want to consider XRP, Chainlink's Link token, and Ethereum's Ether. That's the message from Fairlead, the strategist's latest analysis of the 12-week relative rotation graph of top alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins, relatively to Bitcoin. The relative rotation graph, RRG, is a visual representation of the relative strength and momentum of multiple assets, altcoins relative to the benchmark BTC. The x-axis measures altcoins relatively strength compared to BTC, and the y-axis indicates the momentum of altcoins performance. The graph comprises 4 quadrants: leading, weakening, lagging, and improving. The leading quadrant top right indicates strong relative strength and positive momentum. Weakening bottom right, strong relative strength but negative momentum. Lagging bottom left represents weak relative strength and negative momentum, and improving indicates weak relative strength and positive momentum. So it seems like XRP and Chainlink and Ethereum has some positive momentum, but they're still pretty weak. What else was it? The bottom right, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin. Bottom right is strong relative strength but negative momentum, so it's going down. And then the bottom left, that represents weak relatively strength and negative momentum, so that's still going down. If you guys been watching this channel, when it goes down, we buy the dip around here. I'm trying to gather up some cash to buy some more dip since the market's gone down fairly it has gone down a good amount. This is definitely a good. This is what you will consider a crash, for at least for me now, because it's gone down 10%, 20%. So it's more than the 5% average for the week, for the daily. So for me, for people that have been long enough in the crypto game, I'm sure you're DZAing on your favorite cryptos right now, especially if you hold any of this ones like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, etc. Let's keep reading. XRP is moving to the improving quadrant from the lagging quadrant. Accompanying Ethereum and Link indicates that three coins still have lower relative strength compared to Bitcoin, but their performance is gaining momentum. Quote, we use RRG's relative rotation graph to evaluate cyclically among the top altcoins normalized versus Bitcoin. A few altcoins have less downside momentum versus Bitcoin, with Chainlink joining Ether and Ripple in the improving quadrant. Analysis of Fairly strategists said in a note to clients Monday. The positive shift from lagging quadrant to the improving quadrant suggests the rotation opportunity could unfold in the coming weeks, whereby capital might flow into the improving sector as investors take exposure to resilient corners of the crypto market. Momentum traders tend to view the cross into the improving quadrant as a potential opportunity, indicating that the asset is showing signs of improvement and may outperform in the near future. Doge, Sol, and Bitcoin Cash are in the weakening quadrant and point left, indicating a continuing underperformance and impending move to lagging quadrant. The remaining top altcoins are already in the lagging quadrant, exhibiting both underperformance and negative momentum relative to Bitcoin. So, like I said before in this channel, Bitcoin goes up, then Ethereum goes up, and then the altcoins. So if one of the coins that has been going down is still going down, if you're not dizzying, you're not dollar cost averaging into those coins, you're missing out on some good prices, because once it takes off, it's going to take off and the prices are going to keep going up and up. That's what we're expecting, correct? So when is the best time to buy this assets that you already hold? When they're on sale, when they're down, and when the price is down, right? That's when I'm trying to get some more cash to buy some more coins that I already have to keep dizzying and improving my dollar cost average, my average price per coin. So if you haven't been in the crypto market, you know that, I mean, some coins are, I think some of them, let me see. I think some of them are 50% down now. Let me see, just to make sure, I got to take a quick look. Let me look at my portfolio real quick. Let's see. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, yeah, I'm on advanced trading on Coinbase. I want to go regular Coinbase. Makes everything more straightforward. Yeah, 10%. Let's see, for the week. Yeah, so much down 20%, 30%. That's a good amount to start buying in again. 20% discount for the week. Some coins, let's see. Yeah, 10%. That's a good discount to start dizzying into some coins. 37%. There we go. Yeah, I got some of, this is some of my coins that I am holding. Yeah, 23%. So this is a good dip if you want to buy the dip. This is the perfect time because it's just going to retrace. So if it's down 20%, it's going to go up 20%. It's just a matter of time, okay? This is just consolidating. Bitcoin dominance is up. Bitcoin is leading the market. Like I said before, that's what we want. And then after that, we want Ethereum to follow Bitcoin and surpass Bitcoin. And then when that happens, the altcoins will rise up again. All right, let's go to the next story. Let me get a drink. Some ASMR for you guys. Some water drinking. You know what? Some of you guys might not like it. Let me mute it real quick. Oh, sorry guys. I gotta drink a lot of water. Not just because my mouth is dry, but also because I'm on a weight loss journey. I lost 15 pounds of fat so far. And the best way to lose weight is to build muscle. And for you to keep as much muscle as possible at all times, you gotta stay hydrated. If I don't drink water enough some days, I lose 2 pounds of muscle. And the way I know that because I use a measuring machine at my local gym, so I'm kind of keep track of where I'm at. So if the more water I drink, the more muscle you have, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn. It's kind of how it works, guys. But anyways, all right, let's go to the next story. Early buyers of Andrew Tate's daddy meme coin apparently sitting on $45 million in unrealized value. There's no evidence to show Tate sold tokens from his docs wallets, but some supposed insiders buying activity before the token's promotion next shows too much of the token in too little hands. That's usually when celebrity coins happen. They hold most of the token, so they'll dump on you at any time. And I will think Andrew's gonna dump on you at some time. There's probably building up some more hype. If you guys have $45 million in unrealized value, take out what you put in at least. This is not financial advice, but it's just, if it was me, I'm putting myself in the situation. I got $45 million in unrealized gains. I think it's probably just in general $45 million in unrealized gains for the small hand of holders right at the moment. Yeah, sell some, get your profit out and play with the house money. That's what you want to do. I'm not the one, you could hold some coins, maybe if you're able to, especially with this bull market coming, you might 10x your coin, 5x, 2x, you gotta be making some money. So take what you put in at least and play with the house money. That's it. That's the best. That's the easiest way to not, be in a good spot in crypto. Okay. Because a lot of people gotta get greedy. They see the money, they always gonna keep going up, and it's happening a lot to people that I know that are in crypto around, because my mentor and I have been the ones pushing crypto between our friends. So some of them made a lot of good money, but then they got greedy and they didn't sell fast enough, and they needed the money at a early than myself and my mentor do. But they didn't take that advantage of that pump that we had, especially on AMP coin, where some of my friends tripled their money. But they didn't take their profit out, so they're back where they started. But we're playing the long game. We have our targets, our price targets for certain cryptos, and that's how we do it around here. That's why we don't really get into meme coins. They're too volatile, even more volatile than the other cryptos. And we just want to play as safe as possible in the crypto market, which is not really it's not as safe as other investments, right? But that's the risk we're willing to take to get the reward that we want. All right, let's keep reading. People in the know of the issuance of the social influencer Andrew Tate's daddy meme tokens are apparently sitting on $45 million in unrealized value. Wallet tracking service Bubble Maps alleged in the next post, while wallets directly connected to Tate have not sold any daddy tokens since their issuance on June 9, some of their wallets seemingly purchased 30% of the token supply before it was promoted widely on X. Quote, on June 9 at 21:24 UTC, Daddy Tate CTO sent 40% of Daddy's supply to Cobra Tate. Bubble Maps posted at Cobra Tate, Tate's official X account. Quote, but there's a catch. 11 wallets funded through Binance with nearly identical amounts at the same time, about 20% of Daddy coin on June 9th before Daddy Tate CTO's first tweets. Two other clusters tracked by Bubble Maps hold another 10% of the token supply, worth $30 million at current price. So this is the tweet X, whatever you want to call it. Bubble Maps. Let's see. This is from a thread, I'm guessing. Let's see. Let's open it up. I'll go through the thread. Let's go through the thread. Bubble Maps. Part 1. We found huge insider activity on Daddy Coin. Insiders bought 30% of the supply at launch before Andrew Tate started to promote it on X, and currently sitting at $45 million. This is the bubble. This is the major holders, I'm guessing, right here. This big one right here. On June 9, 21:24 UTC, Daddy Tate CTO sent 40% of Daddy's supply to Cobra Tate. Andrew Tate later bought burned 10,000 worth of tokens. This is verifiable on chain. Number 3, Andrew Tate stuck to his word and didn't sell any tokens, but here's the catch. 11 wallets funded through Binance with nearly identical amounts at the same time. About 20% on Daddy on June 9 before Daddy Tate CTO's first tweet. So this is the wallets that bought it. So this is the supply. Daddy 20. On 4, since they are funded through Binance, we can 100% confirm they belong to the same group. However, the timing and amount strongly suggest they do. These wallets hold 90% of the total supply, worth $30 million at the current price. One wallet selling could crash the liquidity. Number 5, 2 other clusters holding 10% of the total supplies are connected to the wallet 4SFQWH. Both clusters bought before Andrew Tate's first tweet and are currently holding $60 million at the current price. Oh boy. I guess this is the wallets. I'm not sure, to be honest with you guys. I'm just showing you the chart so you guys can figure it out. Number 6, while corporate Tate hasn't sold his tokens, insiders seems to be active on that and are trying to cover their tracks. One of the wallets could nuke the liquidity pool. Be careful trading daddy. Number 7, additionally, Andrew Tate hasn't burned the 40% he's holding, meaning he could start selling at any moment. This is currently worth 64 million. You can check this kind of launch at If you like our investigation, we suggest to read the mother investigation. Okay, so that's enough of that. So it seems like Andrew Tate and maybe some of his people in his circle have a majority of Daddy coin in their wallets. Yeah, they're gonna dump. They're gonna dump, guys. So if you guys make some profit in this coin, take what you put in now at least. That's safe financial advice, I guess. You know what? It's not financial advice. Do whatever the fuck you want. Sorry, I shouldn't have cussed. Do whatever you want. It's up to you. But if it was me, I'll take some profits. But anyways, let's keep moving. As such, let's keep reading. As such, trading pools of the tokens have just over 2 million in available liquidity, meaning the position cannot be realized for their entire value as of Thursday. Tate's own wallet, which has not sold tokens as of Thursday, holds 65 million worth of the tokens at current prices. This is the first crypto token. Let me read that. This is the first crypto token the controversial social media star appears to be directly involved in, an association that helped move the token to a 240 million market capitalization just 3 days after going live. DEX Tools data shows the prices are up 55% in the past 24 hours. That is the latest in the line of celebrity-backed tokens that have started to make rounds in the meme coin ecosystem. Unlike previous instances,